Hello, Uptown Swing.
I'm Stacia, that's Peter.
That's correct. We did Charleston week 3. You guys are rocking it. We practiced again the kickaways. Bop, bop. But we had the double kick, single, single, double kick. And we come on back. Great job with that. You can remember that little mantra if you want, then you can mix it up however you like. We'll show it this way just one time so you can see it. We got the 5, then we had double kick, and single, single, double kick. You can do whenever you want. Hey, and keep on turning. That'll help you catch your partner. So after that, we did a little slidey business. We'll do it this way one time so we can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, kick and slide. If you feel the kick and then you can do the slide. It's nice to do it together. You don't have to, but it does feel good.
You were going to put in the little solo exercise that you were doing?
That is so true.
Yep.
If you want to practice it by yourself, you can just take your leg. Let's do your left leg, my right, away from each other. And we'll just do the 1, 2, 3.
my left.
Yep, 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 3. Just remember there's that 2 in there. It's easy to go 1, 3 and cheat things. 5, 6, one more time. 1, 2, 3. That gets that slide for you. Then we did hand to hand. Shaking hands. Same kicks as the kick away. We're both on the same foot. Right foot. 6, 7. We go double kick, and double kick. We're just going to show you how to get into that real quick, and we'll practice it a lot more next week, so don't worry if you don't have it yet. Step, kick. Hey, here we go. We got double kick, and double. Rock step for me, not for my partner. I do that rock step to switch my feet. Then we're here until the song ends. Just kidding. We'll teach you more next week. Good job, everybody.
Bye.